Welcome to another video. So, Microsoft yesterday launched a bunch of stuff in their Copilot lineup, and I liked some of them. That's why I thought I would tell you guys about it and share my thoughts on it as well. Yesterday was the 50th anniversary of Microsoft, and that's why they launched a bunch of features in Copilot, which is apparently their new focus. So, if you don't know, then Copilot is basically an AI assistant by Microsoft, which is based on the OpenAI models, and they skin it with their own stuff and experiences, so to say. It is majorly free, and it actually looks pretty good. So, if we talk about the new features one by one, then the first feature is the option of Think Deeper. It is almost like a deep research or enhanced thinking option. So, you can just enable this, and it will think more deeply for the answer. It apparently uses the O3 mini model for this. So, that's great. If we ask it a question, then you'll see that it takes a bit to think and stuff. And then in just a bit, you get the answer, which is great. It apparently doesn't have any rate limits and is free here, which is kind of awesome. Another thing that is great in it is that you also have the voice option, and it is also fully free. And you can easily do super simple voice-to-voice chat with it with multiple voices, which is kind of awesome for sure. It's basically just the GPT-4o voice feature, but free. So, that's super cool, and you can go ahead and use it. Another thing that they have launched is the Copilot Gaming. This is a very janky, but good implementation of their research that they had shared a while back, where they say that they have made a generative AI model that can apparently generate real-time games for you to play. Yes, as you move, the world is generated randomly based on a diffusion model, which is kinda insane. It is based on the Quake 2 game, but only the first frame is taken through there, while the other frames are generated, which is kinda awesome as well. I really liked this. You'll see this option in the Copilot Labs feature. Another option is the Copilot Vision thing. Copilot Vision is basically a new feature in the Edge browser, and it is currently being rolled out, where you can enable it and ask it to explain anything on a web page. Like if you see something and want to find out what it is or anything, then it can use that and get the stuff done accordingly, which is kind of cool. Some more stuff that they have launched is, first of all, a new memory feature. They say that, with memory, Copilot can remember important details like your favorite food, the types of films you enjoy, and your nephew's birthday and his interests. As you interact with Copilot, it notes your preferences, building a richer user profile and offering tailored solutions, proactive suggestions, and timely reminders. It basically keeps a note of key details between each of your conversations and gets custom-tailored according to your needs. Another thing is the Actions features. It is actually quite good because it allows Copilot to apparently take action on your behalf. They say that, with Actions, Copilot can now partner with you to complete tasks behind the scenes. Use simple chat prompts to ask Copilot to book event tickets, grab dinner reservations, or send a thoughtful gift to a friend, and it will check that task off your list. So, this is kind of great when it is publicly available. Another option is the Pages option. They say that Copilot now provides a way to organize your thoughts and content from chaos to calm. It takes all your scattered notes, content, research, whatever it is, and puts it in a canvas that Copilot organizes, simplifies, and helps you with from your first rough draft to your very final edits. Pages lets you refine, iterate, and keep the conversation going whenever you need it. It's basically like an option to organize your notes and stuff in a document-like thing, which is quite good. There's also a new podcast feature, which is basically like the Notebook LM thing, where you can give it a topic, and it can easily generate a podcast for you in seconds, which is kinda cool for sure. They also have a new shopping feature, where they say that Copilot is now your personal shopper, on your side, doing the research, building comparisons, offering advice. It lets you know about price drops and sales, and will let you purchase directly from the app. This is also cool. There's also a new proper deep research option that will allow you to do deep research similar to something like ChatGPT or Grok, which is kind of great for sure. They have also launched Copilot Search, similar to something like Google's AI mode and stuff. So, these are their major launches in the AI sector. There are some more stuff in GitHub Copilot where they have made the agent model generally available with Bring Your Own Keys support. So, this is amazing. All these stuff are being rolled out gradually, and most of them will be available for free, while some might need you to have a Copilot Pro subscription. I actually use the Copilot sometimes because of it being free and stuff, and the models are from OpenAI, which is great, and it being free is the major reason I use it. I think that these launches are quite good, although most of them are not rolled out, and I hope that these stuff are rolled out soon enough so that we can try it out. The voice mode is something that I also really like because it works extremely well and has better limits for free than ChatGPT, which is great. I hope that they make Copilot better and keep it mostly free as an alternative to super high-cost subscriptions. Also, they seem to have made the GitHub Copilot subscription more costly, which is pretty bad. They have removed the unlimited thing from Sonnet and have now also launched another new membership, which is fine, although I liked the previous pricing structure better, and it differentiated it from others rather than being in the same territory. Although, they have brought the Bring Your Own Key option, which is a great add-on for sure. Let me know what you guys think about these stuff, and if you use Copilot or not. Please subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!